Hello friends, my name is Ramsud. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the control cost. Friend, today's topic we have taken it from the PMBOK guide, and this is a very important topic for you if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So let's start, friend. Control cost. Friend, control cost is the process of monitoring the status of project to update the project cost and managing changes to the cost baseline. The key benefit of this process is that the cost baseline is maintained throughout the project. Updating the project requires knowledge of the actual cost spent to date. Any increase to the authorized budget can only be approved through the perform integrated change control process. Monitoring the expenditure of funds without regard the value of work being accomplished for such expenditure has little value to the project other than to track the outflow of funds. Much of the effort of cost control involve analyzing the relationship between the consumption of project funds and the work being accomplished for such expenditures. The key to the effective cost control is the management of the approved cost baseline. Okay, so project cost control actually includes influencing the factors that create changes to the authorized cost baseline, ensuring that all change requests are acted in a timely manner, managing the actual changes when and as they occur, ensuring that cost expenditures do not exceed the authorized funding by period, by WBS component, by activity and in total. Monitoring cost performance to isolate and understand the variances from the approved cost baseline. Monitoring work performance against funds expended, prevented unapproved changes from being included in the reported cost or resource usage. Informing appropriate stakeholders of all approved changes and associated costs, and bringing expected cost overruns within acceptable limits. Now we shall talk about the inputs, cost control inputs. So friend, first of all we have project management plan. Project management plan components include as follows: cost management plan, cost baseline, performance measurement baseline. Okay, then another input is project documents. Example of project documents that can be considered as input for this process include but are not limited to the lesson learned register. Lesson learned register earlier in the project can be applied to later phases in the project to improve the cost control. Then work performance data. Work performance data contains data on project status, such as which costs have been authorized, incurred, invoiced and paid. Then organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the control cost process include existing formal and informal cost control related policies, procedures and guidelines. Cost control. Now we shall talk about cost control tools. Friend, cost control tools include monitoring and reporting method to be used. Cost control examples of expert judgment during the cost control process include but are not limited to variance analysis, earned value analysis, forecasting and financial analytics. Then data analysis. Data analysis techniques that can be used to control cost. Then two complete performance index. The two complete performance index TCPI is a measure of the cost performance that is required to be achieved with the remaining resources in order to meet a specified management goal, expressed as the ratio of the cost to finish the outstanding work to the remaining budget. Then project management information system, PMIS. Project management information systems are often used to monitor the three EVM dimensions, PV, EV and AC, to display graphical trends and to forecast a range of possible final project results. Okay, now we shall talk about the outputs. The cost control outputs are as follows. For first one is the work performance information. Work performance information includes information on how the project work is performing compared to the cost baselines. Variances in the work performed and the cost of the work are evaluated at the work package level and control account level. For projects using earned value projects analysis, CV, CPI, EAC, VAC and TCPI are documented for inclusion in work performance reports. Cost forecast. Either a calculated EAC value or a bottom up EAC value is documented and communicated to the stakeholder. Change request. Analysis of project performance may result in a change request to the cost and schedule baselines or other components of the project management plan. Change requests are processed for review and disposition through the perform integrated change control process. Project management plan update. Any change to the project management plan goes through the organization's change control process via change request. Components that may require a change request for the project management plan include but not limited to cost management plan. Change to the cost management plan, such as changes to the control threshold or specified level of accuracy required in managing the project cost, are incorporated in response to feedback from relevant stakeholder. Cost baseline. Changes to the cost baseline are incorporated in response to approved changes in scope, resources or cost estimates. Performance management baseline. Measurement baseline. Changes to the performance measurement baselines are incorporated in response to approved changes in scope, schedule, performance or cost estimates. Project document update. Project documents that may be updated as a result of carrying out this process include but are not limited to assumption log. Cost performance may indicate the need to revise assumptions on resource productivity and other factors influencing cost performance. Basis of estimates. Cost performance may indicate the need to revisit the original basis of estimates. Cost estimates. Cost estimates may need to be updated to reflect the actual cost efficiency for the project. Lesson learned register. The lesson learned register can be updated with techniques that were effective in maintaining the budget, variances analysis, earned value analysis, forecasting and corrective actions that were used to respond to cost variances. Risk register. The risk register may be updated if the cost variances may have crossed or likely to cross the cost threshold. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.